Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable stay awake to set the screen will never sleep while charging on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then swipe down at the top. Next tap on the settings button. In here you want to swipe down and tap on developer options. In developer options, tap on stay awake switch to turn it on or turn it off. Now once it is turned on, if you are charging your phone, if you are plugging the charging cable into the charging port, the phone will stay awake. It will not turn off the screen. And if you want to allow your screen to turn off while charging, then you need to switch off stay awake. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.